What's up, gamers? Today I'll be teaching you 5 tips if you are new to programming. So let's just start off. Tip number 1, when starting programming, you need to find the engine you want to use. This could be engines like Unity, Python, or Unreal Engine. It also depends on what you're trying to make. Tip number 2, while you're programming or working on a game, I highly recommend that you take notes. For example, in Unity, you may be making a movement script for the player. If you change its speed while in testing mode, it won't save. Take notes to find out what type of settings you want in your game. Tip number 3. While we're talking about taking notes, it's also a good idea to plan your game out. For example, maybe you want to add a prop in the background, but you're working on something else at the moment. Take a quick note and continue working. Another tip is that it is okay to watch tutorials if you're stuck. Learning how to code is a long process that takes a lot of practice, so if you're stuck on a certain mechanic in your game, then watching a tutorial is a good way to help. Finally, don't be on the computer all day. If you're working on a game, I would say work for about 3 to 5 hours a day. That might seem like a lot, but you need to get things done. You are going to mess up your code if you are new to it. However, don't be programming all day. Sitting in a chair all day staring at a screen will have a negative effect. It will make you tired and not have an open mind when making a game. Not to mention that sitting in a chair all day eating chips and other junk will only enlarge your ass by times 10, meaning you have to buy a new chair. Anyways, I hope you found this video helpful. If you want, subscribe. Subscribing helps me and shows you when the next video drops. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one.